Many Indian students are struggling to know the language of instructions or medium of instructions to study MBBS in abroad. Especially when it comes to Russia, many of us are still not clear whether the instructions they are going to get in the medical college will be of English or will be in Russian language. So let me tell you everything in this video, so be there with me till the end, because I am going to tell you what all universities, and especially in Russia, what will be the medium of instruction if you are going to study MBBS. So MBBS is a course which will be of whole 6 years. It will last for 6 years, and there are universities in Russia that will give you teachings in Russian language. We call it as bilingual universities. So bilingual universities are such universities that teach you in English plus in Russian medium. Starting 3 years will be in English and the last 3 years will be in Russian. But as soon as NMC implemented its guidelines, now it has become mandatory for all the students who are looking to pursue their education in abroad. You must complete your MBBS in English curriculum only, starting from the scratch till the course completion. So the whole 6 years has to be compulsorily in English medium, and maximum 90% of the universities in Russia which are affiliated by WHO, which are accredited by Medical Council of India and the other medical foundations, are giving you teachings in English curriculum. So the medium of instructions in any university you go which is approved by World Health Organization and was approved by Medical Council of India is giving you the language of instructions in English. So yes, you can definitely choose the recognized university in Russia and complete your medical education fully in English medium.